Hey, if you want to get rid of hyperpigmentation, dark spots, wrinkles, this face and body scrub is all you need. If you want to get rid of hyperpigmentation, dark spots, wrinkles, this face and body scrub is all you need. Okay, so our first ingredient is gonna be sugar. You can use brown sugar. Okay, in case you want to make this for something else, you can go ahead and use brown sugar. Okay, so after 1 cup of sugar, you go ahead and add a half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Okay, or you can go ahead and add a pinch of turmeric powder because turmeric do stay the skin. All right, so after that, you go ahead and mix the two ingredients together. After mixing, they're gonna look somehow like this. So right now, just go ahead and take my half lemon. After taking my lemon, I'll go ahead and squeeze all the juice into. Okay, so you just have to add your lemon juice. Make sure you squeeze out all the lemon juice into, because we're not gonna be adding any liquid stuff into our ingredient. Okay, so if you have honey, you can go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of honey as well, but I'm not gonna make use of honey in this video. I will definitely make use of other ingredient like powder. All right, so all you have to do is to make sure you watch to the end so you understand everything and all the ingredients that I use in this video. And this is a very great scrub, face and body scrub, that you can use without causing you or giving you any skin irritation, burning session, and damage. Okay, if you use this, you're gonna glow. Your skin is going to be very soft and smooth. Okay, I promise you that it will work like magic. All right, so after squeezing out all my half lemon, so you can see, so after that I'll just go ahead and add my miracle powder. Okay, which is ground flour. Okay, this is ground flour. Go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of ground flour. After adding, we're just going to mix everything together. I actually love ground flour on my recipe, especially when it comes to DIY. I love ground flour on my DIY because it's very great. It works amazingly. So we're just gonna mix everything together until all the ingredients are well incorporated. So right now, if you watch to this point, thank you so much. You are the best. And remember, don't forget to remember that. Okay, and don't forget to like this video. Please do me a favor by liking this video. It goes a long way. Please like. Okay, it's free. You're not gonna pay. Just like. Okay, like and share, subscribe if possible. All right, so here's how it looks like after mixing everything. It looks so fluffy, looks so beautiful, looks so amazing, and it smells so nice at the same time. So right now, all you have to do is to make sure before using this, you just go ahead and wet your skin. After wetting your skin, you place this into your face or body. You can go ahead and scrub it in a circular motion and give it like 5 to 10 minutes before washing it off, or 2 minutes before taking it off from the skin. So that is all for today's video. Hope you find it helpful. See you all my next